We'll guide you through how to create a Wix website blog. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to wix.com, log in to your Wix account, or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, click on the Create New Site button. You'll be prompted to choose the type of website you want to create. Select Blog from the options. Wix will then give you two choices: Wix ADI or Editor. For a more customized approach, select the Editor option. You'll be taken to a selection of templates specifically designed for blogs. Browse through and pick one that suits your style and content needs. Once you've selected a template, click Edit to start customizing it. You'll enter the Wix editor, where you can click on any element to change text, images, or layout. To add blog posts, hover over the left menu and click Blog. Then click Manage Posts to start adding your content. You can click Create New Post to begin. Here, you'll enter your post title, content, and any images or videos you want to include. Don't forget to set categories and tags to help organize your posts. Once you're happy with your post, you can either publish it immediately or schedule it for later. To enhance your blog's functionality, you can explore the Wix App Market, accessible from the left sidebar, where you can add features like comments, social media integration, and SEO tools. Remember to save your work frequently as you're customizing your site. When you're ready to go live, click Publish at the top right corner of the editor. This will make your blog visible to the public. Congratulations, you've now created a Wix website blog. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.